So congratulations are in order for the victorious Jamaica Tallawahs for lifting the symbol of Caribbean T20 supremacy, the CPL trophy. And look, this victory was made much sweeter by the fact that our regional rivals, Trinbago Knight Riders, who were the red-hot favorites coming into the tournament, to the extent where I predicted the CPL would be a farce this season, and I would not be watching because it would be too one-sided. Well, peeping over the fence and seeing the Knight Riders finishing dead last and the Tallawahs running away with the trophy is really nice. It is really, really nice. Of course, the lesson to be learned from this season of the CPL, for those who don't learn it yet, is that a group of players, no matter how individually talented they are, don't necessarily make the best functional team. So although the Tallawahs had less big-name stars than the Knight Riders, the Jamaican franchise had complementary pieces that fit together to make not just a functional team, but a championship-winning team. So in Caribbean terms, we're not really little, but we're still Tallawah. In other words, we're big and we're Tallawah.